Happy Cinco de Mayo, everybody. Today we are going to be making the Spicy Mango Margarita. To start this cocktail, we are going to take 3 jalapeno slices. We're going to throw those right into our shaker tin. And I'm going to steal my muddler from over here because it's not where it's supposed to be. Oh, wow, that is a potent jalapeno. Excuse me. Okay, we're going to muddle. I don't know why we need to. Holy cow. Okay, we're going to muddle our jalapeno slices just in the bottom. I did leave the seeds in the jalapeno slices. You can take them out to lessen the heat and get more of the flavor if you'd like. Then we're going to do 1 full ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1 full ounce of mango puree or mango syrup. Get out. And then, oh my gosh, it's so strong. 1/2 ounce of orange liqueur. And then last but not least, 2 full ounces of Blanco Tequila. Oh, made a mess again. Sugar cubes.
What's new?
I know. That's mess maker. All right. We have all of our ingredients in our shaker tin. They're trying to kill me, but we're going to add ice to our shaker tin. And then we're going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until the tin is ice cold in your hands. All right, I'm going to set that to the side. So next we're going to take our glass, whichever glass you prefer. If you'd like a margarita glass, by all means do your margarita glass. This is going to be on the rocks, so I'm putting it on a rocks glass. So I ran out of limes. I had my lime juice, but I ran out of limes. So I'm using a lemon. We're going to go all the way around our rocks glass with our lemon wedge. And then we are going to rim in some Tajin. Give it a little zip. Ah, beautiful.
Pretty.
So pretty. Then we're gonna put rocks. We're gonna put
rocks in our rocks.
I know what I be trying to say. All right, we're gonna put ice into our rocks glass. And then because we use that fresh juice, we're gonna use our hawthorn and our mesh strainer. Whew. Struggle busting it here today. Then we're gonna go right into our glass. Smelling more mango than jalapeno at the moment, but stay tuned. All right. So for a garnish outside of the rim, of course, we are going to do a gorgeous, out of the way there, lime wheel. And then I'm going to take just a jalapeno slice. Don't worry, I'm the one drinking it. So I'm going to just kind of set our jalapeno slice right on the rim there. But there she is. Our spicy mango margarita. All right, let's give her a taste. Holy jalapeno. Oh, that's delicious. Okay. It's delicious, I promise. Sorry. So, right at the forefront, you get all the mango. You smell the jalapeno, but you get all of the mango. But then the heat from the jalapeno comes on the back end, but it's not an insane amount of heat. It's just the right amount. Pairs perfectly with the Tajin Rim that we've got going on there. I mean, I'm just going to taste it one more time just, for science. Yeah. Okay. As you all know, we're going to rate this. 5 being the best, 1 being the least best. This one for me, hands down, 5 out of 5. I like me some spice. This one's it. This is it. I highly recommend if you're drinking today on Cinco de Mayo, you had best be making this cocktail because it is delicious. It's perfectly balanced. Highly recommend. 5 out of 5. Of course, guys, if you enjoy seeing my gorgeous face every day, and the cocktails, don't forget about those. If you like the cocktails, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your rating is on the cocktails, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Cheers.